Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la.
Or video or long video, don't know. Right guys, I just want to mention on this video that I've done videos in the past. Oops. But don't matter, I'm leaving it like that. Not messing about stopping video to be doing video again. Sorry. Just about to say was in the past I might have done videos in the past and I said I'm gonna put links in the description. And I haven't done it yet, and yeah, and I forgot to put links in. I'm trying to find out what videos they were, but it's taken me a while. But I thought, I don't know, I'll ask you guys, tell you if you end up watching this video, if you say, oh yeah, Mark did say this, well, which one were it? If you guys went back watching my first video till now, and still carrying on. And you went, oh yeah, Mark, yeah, you didn't put a link on this one, you didn't put a link on that one, you didn't put a link on that one. Yeah, and I go, oh, yeah. And then I do it that way, even when I do a video and say Mark, and then you guys decide to watch that video. But I can't, because I don't know what video it were. And somewhere I'm supposed to do another part to it, but I never did it. So guys, keep me going for me please. And then also to know idea and all. Right. My brother had a TV, collected it from scrap. Bloke said, oh it works, he wanted to change, he wanted to get rid of it. And he asked me, said, he wanted a TV. I said, yeah. My brother said, yeah, I want a new TV. Went to go and get the TV, and I remember, I think I got this trolley here to go and fetch it. Yeah, I did set it up once in my bedroom, but I got copyright strike for that, and it's still on, setting up a TV. This was the remote for it. We had it for God knows how long we had it, but my brother decided to break it. Bought him two remotes, but I'm keeping the other one. Yeah, but it's a Samsung one, and yeah, got a new one, set it up straight away, put batteries in, it worked. So what I'm going to do is take the back cover off. Just uploading a video on Mark's Own Entertainment in Life video. Just been uploading videos on my trams with Mark's Own. And I switch account to entertainment. I think my girlfriend has just brought a video out. And they've replied to that in a minute. Got one view already on that day out middle with Mark Stone, 28th of May 2022. 1 hour and 15 minutes and 3 seconds. Yeah. Just look through notifications, automatic. No, everything, no comment. Ashfield, updated a week there, so watched it earlier. Just get this video up, just uploaded, guys. So yeah, just simple. Trying to rip the back off. Yeah. It's a bit odd where it's a bit off and it's a bit root. Yeah. That's the board. Automatic. Take this bit out of. Some people say, why do I take it off? And I just go, well, but it's just got alley in it, but sorry guys about the camera keep falling, I apologise for it. Yeah. Yeah, Dad's got the light bit what went on top. Just looking at what a waste of time taking it apart. What a waste of time taking it apart because it's a blank. Unless somebody wants it. Trying to help. If somebody wants me to send that to them, you can do. Because if not, that's going to go into basic scrap. But, or get sucked in rubbish. Say it's going to May, June. I say end of June or July. If I don't get note for it, I just chuck it in basic scrap. Or in rubbish. Then I'll keep that for spares. If someone does say, I'll have that off you, but Mark, Samsung, even the front cover. That's it, because I think I must have bent it too much. Needs cleaning up. Now, don't know what how it's happened. See how it's like burnt? I'll keep that for space if anybody wants it. But it might come in handy one day. This to get a TV remote for downstairs. Just got rid of his old TV. Yes.